Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin a message on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Go to the chat where the message you want to pin is located. Scroll through the chat and locate the message you want to pin. Once you find the message, tap and hold onto it until a menu appears. From the menu, tap on the pin option. Now you have two options, pin the message for both users or pin the message for you only. Select the one you prefer and pin the message. And this is how you can pin a message on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.